The human eye is amazing, but it's not flawless. Which is why 30 years ago, Sarine reinvented how we see diamonds, transforming an entire industry and revealing brand new facets of value. Sarine's story begins by forever changing the way polished diamonds are graded. It continues with a breakthrough in rough stone optimization, boosting value and opening up new centers of manufacturing. As a new millennium dawns, Sarine revolutionizes planning again, unlocking a rough diamond's full potential. Next comes Clarity Prediction for planned polished stones, a groundbreaking system unmatched to this day. In another defining moment, Sarine creates an intuitive system for describing the play of light in a diamond. Just 3 years later, Sarine brings retailers into the digital age, connecting them with a new generation of diamond consumers. And with the world's first fully automated clarity and color grading system, Sarine offers consumers a whole new level of confidence in the 4 C's. At Sarine, change happens in the blink of an eye, leaving an indelible mark on every stage of the diamond value chain. With more than 70 million diamonds passing through our systems each year, Sarine is building the world's most comprehensive traceability solution, enabling transparency on a scale never seen before. So we can all look forward to a brilliant future with confidence. Sarine, the diamond industry reimagined.